In this lesson, we'll be looking at adjacent angles on a straight line. So here we have a straight line, and these two angles that are next to each other are said to be adjacent. The word adjacent means next to. So these two angles are next to each other, and they're sharing a common point right here, which is a center point here. So they actually form a semicircle, as you can see. All right, so 90.5 plus 89.5, when you add those two together, what do you get? You should get 180 degrees. And they are actually on the same straight line right next to each other. They form a semicircle, but we say angles on a straight line. If we should add these two angles here as well, they will add up to what? Yes, they'll also add up to 180 because they are on this straight line. So this angle here and this one, they're on this straight line. They form a semicircle, sharing a common point. So we say adjacent angles on a straight line add up to 180. So any two adjacent angles on a straight line will always add up to 180. These two on this straight line down below here form a semicircle, or these two form a semicircle here. Well, when you add them, they add up to 180. So any adjacent angles on a straight line. So if I change the angle, let's change it to 1 being 100. And as you can see, it's very sensitive. All right, this is 100 degrees and this one is 80. When you add these two, you get 180. When you add these two, you get 180. When you add these two, you get 180. So these are adjacent angles, angles next to each other on a straight line. Hopefully that helped.